Wakwaba and Faumbra GC and page so Mestro subscribe to my channel. Now don't say Emia Bell on the so and the sun video no be toma when your notification that you say and some cause woman will be a when you be and I say when you be a share GC and page Hamidi Eddie Adwa Sechi. Mamia Piadonko and our Okase or Baba Kupaches or president will make when yasem kitwakra. Mamia Piadonko HS or Bayoman Penny or Manga Nimwatches and Mayina Yamubetoyen I so and Ma Yampesi Betuabano a day ama Mamia Piadonqua. And once I be or Mamuna Mamia Piadonko or Okase and our Ochese. His Excellency Nanado Danko Kufuadro, Ghana Yaman Penny, Nanado Preman, Bakope. Mamia Piadonko HS Asemba. Nyabotare asema men pray ho na men take a decision bia say asemba na prepare ho na we take a decision one sha one kasa e na ebeko etia de entia mama akuadonko e kasa ina ne say because his excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo o atamfo MPP party na wo na kasa wo atamfo wo e na afen so eba no almighty NDC a mo opposition and kire say 2024 abe ye ba betu omo ani abre person omo esanso ebedi akonwa omo ani abre papa inti Nanado o wa atamfo e NDC esanso e wa atamfo e wa MPP inti asemba Nyabotare na men take decision bia men pray on de enti mama akuadonko e kasa ina e ye wa ensense me course wo wa ni soldier fo mu brimming crofo bi omo kire se crofo ko no mo awia eye omo phone na e ho sembe ye bebre o manga na emu na fenso adura ho sense me course soldiers fo ene omo kotoe e sheda egeji ya ye shooting ene ho sembe ye bebre o mamu na na mama akuadonko e kire se soldiers fo no mo yes ano nana mempa ni shigonyo ja omo sa no mo form because bibia nkoka papa enje kire dede soldiers no mo call adura so mo kwa kobo adura for mo ho ban no ene omo start antoto mo ban and start so mo eye ni e bia nya ka soldier for no so nko mo nhwie etu engu omo so enti Nanado betimi abakra se watanfo ene somai se adura for no so omo enka soldier for no soldiers for no so enka omo se ne be ya udin hu ebeka e wo manga na emu and our friends who are so didn't buy no chese bibia nkoka papa enje kire dede sa na mama akuadonko eka into his excellency Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo asemba na nani die mu anu Nyabotare may take a decision e hona because e bia no akoye mistake because akonja na out so no watanfo bebre na say ene mama akuadonko e de etudwa
the sen Nanado say nyame opaja no di sa akonwa ma no no wo hwe nyame nanim na pressifo no ene asojafo yeah, one more yeah, you are beady. What so be what you remember is the Sia hey. Yeah, I'm imagine I'm in Chahay. And will be I will be I'm sorry, I'm not to you and I'm the Kuniba. What when you say what time for what time for our party? And now party the party for your time for. What I be I bet you ask what you want. And if I didn't could touch you, President could touch you. Now, my hair, so no, I want you to hear about so. What's the matter? I was young coming. The senti. And to be jamming now, I said Nippon also. That's like what would you have before they said, yeah, how I did my woman. Come back, so life. Now, so no one more actually a was said, there will be you. Now, one more, I can click
say, you know, you are to Nipa, and what your Marco Wako.
What too hard as I can do one when they may
yes, your phone, I know.
No,
so you need phone.
So I found your Frank out fire. How for you? How for no mere massage with Mlagana? Maybe I must ask them where Mlagana will be at the flat. What fire that Yama is a journey, but that day will be fire. Get that to her. Get to her. Yes, it will gonna have you, Hassa. And that's when this will be at the idea of Fakoma, you hear me. And fat. And this out. No too much. You are marrying an or woman. Or marrying an a soldier for the woman. Well, I know you're not a card, you're not a yet, me a boa. One fellow be a dear man, yes, sir. What about smash a Jenny? So, uncle. No, I can't do some yard. Me will, every day. Why are you betting your castle? And to one because here, uncle. And when you see a move, they will walk on the BBC, who be in Nama. What about Titiwana, Bianca, or Mono, and to make what people and young to make a father, and to BBC, and to the Bassa, What for Bia?
But back home says so. You know, wash that gauge pan or to two.
Ah, that's what gauges are becoming. I'm smacky. And yes, sorry, I want you. Who is one yabua? One year,
so what's a committee or more?
Quality, the major just what we had my figure, Quababia. If you had my figure, Quababia, will be at you, will be a way. Quabatif one, one man of Crane, one not anting Yadma. What yana? That's what you have said. Yes, sorry, yeah, what you do, Kumipa. Yes, sorry, I did bank, but I say one can hire Sumayano. Yeah, I say one can hire to Piano. Now you Kumipa. Yes, I let one way, baby, and a BBS. And Yanya, Yanya, na soja ni kutapia mwanga so mpango tibofre na so obi tutua ba no so dia wono so beto enti wa mo ya de si ya ntondodo ameni padodo angu enti eye wonfa obi ata asika ma no wonfa obi a wasa ma wo kura ba so amma asika kura nsa mo ya ba so omba wo ma ba so na wo mo hwesa dwuma na de so wate enti dia me ka che wo mampeni se e pare chew ko beti a wati o eri na be twa
mo ebo mo ni
abo na be twa sai so o ka no to mu na wanya hwe yanke yambo wa so ya ni na wa
aba bonten aba na atwe bi ason ye de bi
mesi won fa che wo mo mesi won fa che wo mo nya me nya bibi kwa ansa na me tv le mu amedo na yakopo yi be ba no bibi besi na nya me yi mi abasa me ka bi bakonto kwa na me na pata ye bakonto kwa no bia na ntimi pata aso na me kasa ye e kwa wo mo chen me na pata ntokwa no saa na bibia ss bakofo bakona aba na ye wo before say me say me na pata bakonto kwa mo pa mo busa bakona aba asa me bo ana musa ban polisi asa me bo ana enti be say o man pani o pa o man ye de ma kan tiatia na ma kan me say soja fo e ko ye asemo si ye mo bia nti obi ahoma mo bia nti obi nkotum mo bia kwa ye obi ahwe mo mo entra baby.
Oh, blogger, na Akufo-Addo me president. What are you telling me? Akufo-Addo me president no, masa. Ultimate blogger ma Ghana. Ultimate Ghana some because you Ghanaians know that Akufo-Addo is a peaceful man. Akufo-Addo is a quiet man. The man so called Akufo-Addo I know say yes so no ba obetchen kofogu no and then one chen will be out tomorrow. And then ultimate din attempt to me no. The body dua no afa anwodi. Wutimi kuni wufi na wafa anwodi. Wutimi kan sama enim na wafa anwodi. Enu tu obi aka bi. Awu. Se de Nyankopon do no wiase na do. Sa na Yesu Kristo mu ye no. Jesus na mo se mu di na chi no. Sa na yese ye no. Sabato na eka no Jesus sa na yese ye no. Enti which we catch them say Akufo-Addo Jesus magana. Enti akwaketo afafo no odidi na tam. Akwaketo afafo a ohun ne won faso ne waka nsambone akwaketo afafo a ne waka anyambrasam journalist afafo a ha na wo JJ Rollins time do you got nice opportunity to come and insult JJ Rollins asa munya chimi no ne ehunu nyansan Samusi atemdidi dia ye nyebe di bio masa mesi munya chimi no ne yesu ehunu nyansan ene saade a yesu ebe chimi bi who journalist ya wo so udi na nado atem aboa na wona Ghana bobosia did you insult aboa na wona e bobosia so ane echedi did you insult kwasiampa nyini ye bobosia mo pese e chama munya bitie ye bobosia mo pese e chana wo se MPP NDC bae ye wo so nya yenie kwasia wo yika wo pese wo yin free because of so kasama party kwasia wuyika wo pese wo yin free wo pese prof say we a party member momo tire Ghana ho hey media me Akufo-Addo tire Ghana ho sino obi a o Ghana ho the whole Ghana including our kings including our ex-president nasa mamo kan chem say free education nya hwe o me ko bia ka me chewa a wote woro me ko bia ka the way I'll fight for Ghana no ka be che de wote wo kaka no Minister Sabato ametie dia mo ni Akufo-Addo dia me ya o mi wiase ne say papa ni be wu awie na afa na mo bone samrane